Hello, my name is Mika and I work at Valmet Learning Services. I will now introduce you to the Valmet's Marine Scrubber online course. As you might know, one of the challenges with marine equipment is to train the operators on location. Having a trainer on location is not always possible. Valmet's Marine Scrubber online course allows training to be done at any time and also be repeated when needed. The course can be taken from home, office, harbor, or when on the ship. The learning targets of this course is to give the personnel operating the scrubber system knowledge of its purpose, how it functions, what the main components are, an understanding of how it's operated, and basic knowledge in how to solve some of the most common problems. There are marine scrubber courses cover your needs, whether you have one of Valmet's open loop, closed loop, or hybrid systems. To assess that the learning targets of the course has been reached, there are quizzes in each lesson for self-evaluation. If you're a manager or training supervisor, you have the possibility to follow the results and progress of your personnel. This course and many other Valmet online courses can be found in Valmet Online Learning. There you also have the possibility to add your own training material to complement Valmet's courses. You can contact Valmet for more information. For now, I wish you good luck with your studies.